You have to want it, which almost everybody wants. You have to believe it, and you have to know it. What I've learned over time with all the clinical studies that I did and collecting all the research data was that you need to, it's really important to combine therapies, different therapies that can be effective together, and when you put them together, and it's really your best estimate of what will work well. So I did that, and we tested those combination protocols in these clinical studies, and we showed that these approaches, when added together, were way more effective than any single therapy alone. That was a big deal. So then now all the programs that I offer now and all the programs I run now deal with combining all these different modalities together, so we can approach the human being as a whole, because the human being has to heal themselves anyway with our expert guidance. Of course. And so that's the key thing.
And can you share a few of those tips or modalities or what you recommend? Can you kind of share that?
We have a technique called effective muscle release. So we very simply release those muscles, and then the muscles relax. The person is burning less energy, because even when they go to sleep, the muscles remain on. But when you release them, they're off. They're burning less energy. They have more energy, and more importantly, it helps the pain dissipate. Then there's a lot. Then one other one that's really fun to talk about are the physical activities of daily living. Like, what do people do every day that keeps them in pain? So physical activities of daily living, the average person takes between 30,000 and 50,000 repetitive movements every day.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a huge number. And most people are conducting these physical activities improperly, in a way, and not only improperly, over and over and over again. So we teach people how to do these physical activities in an appropriate way. And almost everybody, when they bend over, or they are getting out of a chair or sitting down in a chair, they're relaxing. They're just totally relaxed. So the back has to do all the work.
So instead of engaging.
Exactly, engaging, right?
I just realized it right now. If I was going to get up, I would be relaxed. I wouldn't be actually engaging.
And also everybody holds their breath when they get in and out of a chair. It's like, launch, and people, when in motion, holding their breath, that's a formula for injury, basically. So these are two tips. When in motion, keep your breath going all the time, and anytime you're gonna bend at the waist, right? Anytime you're gonna bend at the waist, before you initiate the bend, contract the abdominal muscles. That balances the strain between the front and the back.
Releases some of the pressure on the back.
Yeah, the back knows it's getting help, right? It doesn't have to do as much work.
Wow.
So that simple thing alone, we've helped people just get out of back pain just by teaching them that one thing. Now, teaching one thing, it's rare that teaching one thing will get the job done, but it does help for some people, right?